Hello all, today in this video I am going to provide a demo video for email spam uh, detection with the machine learning algorithms. Previously we have worked with some machine learning algorithms and we have made some comparisons regarding that. So in this work we are going to work with another machine learning algorithm. For that we are first loading the data set. The data set which we have used is the email spam detection data set which we downloaded from Kaggle. You can just give us email spam detection means you will get this data set. This data set is having nearly 3 columns such as an unnamed one, email text and email type. Then we are getting the info of the data set. By this we are getting to know that the unnamed one is the integer type and other two are the object type. Then we are checking whether our data set is having any null entries. Here the unnamed one and email text is having not having null entries, but you may notice that email text is having nearly 16 null entries. We have to remove this, and also the unnamed column is not needed since it's just a serial number, so we are going to drop that also. For that we are using the drop now function and drop duplicates function, and then we are checking the missing values. Here you may notice that we are deleted the unnamed entry, and also now we are not getting any null values. Then we are getting the shape of the data set. It is having nearly 17,538 entries. Then the email type, which is having two classes such as the safe email and phishing email. We are making a plot by which email is having more count. When comparing to phishing email, safe email is having some less count only. Then we are splitting the data into xtrain, xtest, ytrain and ytest. For that we are determining the x variables and y variable. For x variable we are calling the email text variable, and for y variable we are calling the email type variable. Then by this x variable and y variable, and the test size is 0.2, that is 20% for testing and remaining 80% for training. And by the use of the train test function we are determining these 4 variables. Then this email text and email type, it is in text, so we have to convert it into vectors. For that we are using the tfidf vectorizer. So by this tfidf vectorizer is applied to the variables like xtrain and xtest. This variable only we are going to use in the next model training and evaluation. So first we have worked with the logistic regression, and we have displayed the predictions, then confusion matrix and classification report, and has got an accuracy of 96%. For every algorithms we have displayed the prediction, confusion matrix and classification report. Why I'm just skipping, because this is found in the previous video. So if you want the perfect explanation for some algorithms means this is just a series. So if you follow that series means for that particular thing we will be explained previously. So only I'm just skipping. So as like that, for support vector mission also we have displayed every values, and we have got a 98% accuracy. Then we worked with the catboost classifier and got nearly 97% accuracy. Then we worked with the passive aggressive classifier and got 96% accuracy. Then we worked with the random forest and displayed every plots and have got nearly 97% accuracy. Then we worked with the nail base and have got nearly 94% accuracy. Then we worked with the KNN and has got nearly 73% accuracy. Then we worked with the decision tree and has got nearly uh, 91% accuracy. Then we worked with the gradient boost and has got nearly 94% accuracy. Then we worked with the Adaboost and has got nearly 93% accuracy. In this work, we are going to work with XGboost. For that, initially, as usual, we are importing the library. That library we are calling within a variable, and within this XGboost, it will take only numerical values for the classification. That is, the y variable should be in numerics only. Previously, we had some string only, but with the XGboost, it will take only numerical input. So we have to convert this phishing email and safe email into numerics. For that, we are using the replace function, and after that, we are determining the x variable and y variable. Then by this we are determining the x train, x test, y train and y test as we did previously. And also with this variable also we are, because y variable only we replaced into 0 and 1. X variable, it is still in text only, so we have to convert it into vectors. For that we are using the vectorizer, that is tfidf function which we declared previously, that one which we are using over here. And this functions will only we are going to use for later things. Then previously, if you notice, means here you will get in the precision recall and all, you will get phishing email and safe email. But now on and in the future, if any algorithms is going to work, means it will be displayed like 0 comma 1, since we have changed our parameters. So for this we have made the predictions report, then we have displayed the confusion matrix. So if you notice, means our data set size is having nearly 17,000 entries, but here we are having only less entries. No, the reason is for plotting the confusion matrix, we are using the test variable only, and this testing is done only with 20% of data. So only this less value is found. And also this classification report is also plotted by using the text variable only. Here you may notice for XGboost we have got nearly 97% accuracy. Then we are making a plot, comparison plot, bar plot only. With all whatever algorithms which we have implemented so far, we have made within the bar plot, and we are making its comparison. From the bar plot, we get to know that this SVM is the one which is showing 98% accuracy, which is high, and 72 is for KNN, so which is less. So other alternative models which is showing high or low and all, which we can see by this graph. In the next video, we will be working with some other machine learning algorithm, which is XGboost classifier. Thank you.